हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका सही ज्ञान सागर में। तो हम कर रहे हैं वीकली करंट अफेयर जो कि हमारे मार्च मंथ के हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच फिल्म वॉज वॉन बेस्ट मोशन पिक्चर ड्रामा अवार्ड एट गोल्डन ग्लोबल अवार्ड 2021? तो नेमलैंड। Which television series won the award for Best Television Series Drama at Golden Global Award 2021? The Crown. What is the new name of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha TV Sansad? The Indian Air Force gifted a 1971 war helicopter to which nation? Bangladesh. The central government will be forming a center of excellence in gaming and other related area in collaboration with which institute? IIT Bombay. Which state has approved a law to give life imprisonment to the food adulterers? Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has approved will to provide 70% reservation to local and private sector job? Haryana. Which state a chief minister sanctioned scholarship worth 101 crore for SC/ST student? Odisha. Which Indian boxer has been appointed as a chairperson of AIBA Championship and Westlight Committee? Mary Kom. Who has been named the ODI T20 captain of the South Africa? Timba Bavuma. Which nation has blocked the shipment of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine to Australia? Italy. Which Indian cricket has become the first one to have 100 million followers of the Instagram? Virat Kohli. Which Indian actor will be confined with the 2021 Film Achieve Award? Amitabh Bachchan. Who won the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Tirath Singh Rawat. The centre has granted static emergency use authorization to which vaccine officially allow it to come out to clinically trial mode? Bharat Biotech Covaxin. What is the new railway helpline number 139? Which Indian Westlife has become world number 1 to 65 kg category? Bajrang Punia. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score 1000 international run across all formats? Mithali Raj. Which Indian state has announced that it will bid for the 2048 Olympics? Delhi. Which state government has ordered to remove all roadside religious structure? Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has planned to launch Arjuna Shayak irrigation project? Uttar Pradesh. Which nation has launched its military exercise in space? France. Which cricket ground will host the final of the World Test Championship? Aegis Bolo. Which nation voted to ban full face covering in a public place? Switzerland. Who won the Germany 2021 award in Grammy 2021 award in a record of the year of category? Billie Eilish. The 63 annual Grammy award were presented at Los Angeles Convention Center 15 March. Billie has become the first solo artist to win the record of the year award to Grammy for 2 years in a row. Beyonce created history by becoming the most awarded women in the history of Grammy with 28 wins. Who has become the first Indian franchiser to qualify the Olympic? Bhavani Devi. The center has approved how much financial assistance for the kin of the journalist for who died due to the COVID-19? तो 15 लाख. Which state was declared as a model state of Van Dhan Vikas Yojana? Manipur. India has launched an artificial intelligence initiative along which nation? USA. Which nation president passed away 17 मार्च 2021? तंजानिया. जॉन पोमे मूंगफली जो अभी 61 ईयर के थे, 17 मार्च को डेथ हो गई उनकी. वो विल द केरला स्टेट असेंबली इलेक्शन बी हेल्ड 6 अप्रैल? India will establish a joint commission to enhance tie with which nation? Kuwait. Which vaccine manufacturer has started tested COVID-19 vaccine on young children and babies? Moderna. Which nation has threatened to ban Twitter next month? Russia. who has become the first ever batsman to score 300 runs in T21, Virat Kohli. The government will be setting up a winter sport institute in which hill station Gulmarg. Who will be the 48th Chief Justice of India? N.V. Ramana. Who will be the Chief Justice of India? 48th Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana. Which politician was named among 20 winner of the Satya Academy Award 2020? M. Virappa Moli. Which film won the Best National Award 2019? Makkar Abrikadaslinam. Which state cabinet has approved the opening of 100 school in specialized excellence education? Delhi. Who has authored the book Bring Government and People Closer? Dr. M. Ramachandran. What was the Indian rank in IPX Intellectual Property Index 2021-40? इंडिया की क्या रैंक है इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स में, जो कि है 40. Samia Suluhu Hasina became the first female president of the nation Tanzania. Which nation of the parliament has been passed bereavement leave law for couple who suffer miscarriage or stillbirth? New Zealand. Which nation is planned to construct the world's first ship tunnel? Norway. Which Indian Coastal Guard ship was commissioned on March 2021? IGCS Vijra. Which nation launched 38 foreign satellites in a historic mission on March 20? Russia. Who has become the second batsman in history to reach 10,000 runs at number 3? Virat Kohli. Which nation has registered the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals? Russia. Who has been honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Rajnikant. World Bank has raised India financial year 2020 GDP growth prediction to how much? 10.1. Who has been selected for the prestigious Maharashtra Bhushan Award? Asha Bhosle. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is contesting the assembly election for which assembly constituency? Nandigram. Which container ship was blocking the Suez Canal for almost a week? Ever Giver. Which nation foreign minister has resigned after the criticism over the vaccine shortage? Brazil. Which nation will withdraw its troops from the Ethiopia Tigray region as per the Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed? Eritrea. Which nation's special presidential envoy for climate will be visiting India next week? USA. When will be a Peru president election be held? 11 April.